Hello, welcome to this section. In this section, we are going to explain about how to use ChatGPT for software testing. So go for this section. ChatGPT is an AI language model that can assist in various phases of software testing. It can generate test cases, automate documentation, and provide insight for improving test strategies. And in this video, I'm going to explain 5 points we can use the ChatGPT for software testing, and I will demonstrate how to use on ChatGPT that. So the first point is generating test cases. The requirement based test cases. If you provide ChatGPT with the software requirements or user stories, it can help you to brainstorm possible test cases. And boundaries testing. ChatGPT can assist in identifying boundary conditions that may be overlooked, especially when dealing with input field ranges or numerical limits. And user scenario testing. Based on user stories, ChatGPT can simulate real world user actions, suggesting test cases that mimic actual user behavior. Okay, then next one is automating test scripts. ChatGPT can help generate test scripts for automated testing frameworks like Selenium, Cypress, and Playwright, reducing the time to need to write repetitive test scripts. Okay, then error handling and debugging. ChatGPT can suggest code snippets for handling error and debugging, which can be integrated into automated test suite for more robustness. And next, parameterization. You can use ChatGPT to suggest way to parameterize tests so they can cover more scenarios without hard coding specific inputs. Okay, the third one, exploratory testing. ChatGPT can assist in brainstorming creative or unusual scenario to test, especially useful in exploratory testing where you need to go beyond the requirements. And next, edge case identification. By explaining the system behavior to ChatGPT, you can ask it to generate unusual or edge cases scenarios that maybe otherwise go unnoticed. Okay. Then the fourth one, code review for test coverage. Logic validation. ChatGPT can review snippets for code to identify potential logic flaws that may not be covered in your test cases. And next, coverage gaps. If you share test case description or code, ChatGPT can suggest additional scenarios to improve coverage. And static analysis. ChatGPT can provide feedback on code structure, error-prone areas, optimization suggestions, and finally, generate documentation and reports. Okay, then test cases documentation. ChatGPT can help formalize test cases, write description, expected outcomes, and steps, making it easier to document test plan. Summarize test result. ChatGPT can assist in summarizing test result, highlighting pass or fail metrics, and analyzing trends if you provide the data. And bug reports. ChatGPT can help you to articulate clear and detailed bug reports, making it easier for developers to understand and reproduce issues. And I demonstrate how to use on ChatGPT. Here I'm taking some example. So how to check these points we can going to look. First one, generating a test case. I have write a scenario here. So I'm copying this scenario and going to Google and checking the ChatGPT website. And here you can see the interface. I have logged into this application, so you can use either login or logout. When you log in, it having more features are available like create image, analyze with image. So login having more features. So I am going to paste this requirement, that is the plain text, English plain text I am giving here, and enter, and it will give the output. Our scenario is given a sign up form with the field for name, email, password. Can you suggest this case for this feature in table format? So can we look into the ChatGPT how it give the response? Okay. Yes, it is creating test cases in tabular format, and here you can see the test case description, test steps, expected result, or are generating for us without any manual creation or any anything not needed. The Let's just enter the requirement or documents, what test type of test case we needed, just enter. It will give a complete test case. We can use this test cases and execute our test. Okay, right now I stopping this. We can see the another scenario. Okay, the next scenario is automate a script. Write a Selenium script to automate login functionality for a website with the field of for username, password, and login button. So we can check this is how it work in ChatGPT. Okay, simply enter your scenario. Okay, and click on submit. So it will generate the below Python Selenium script automatic login. Will be the code is generated by the ChatGPT itself. So we can use this script for our automation. So what is your needs, you can enter here, put on enter, it will give a output. Okay, so next one we can check, and right now is stopping this. Bug analysis, I'm getting null point exception in Java at line 45. The code read data from a file and process it. Any idea why this might be happening? So this is I entering, copy, and just copying, and just what is need, please enter. So ChatGPT will give the idea. So when you getting any error in script coding, so you can put it here, you will get the output from ChatGPT, and you can refer that one. Maybe it will be help you. Most of the case it will give a good output, and you can use that output for your testing. And another one is, what are the some edge cases I should test to date of birth input field on my website? So this also you can give the edge cases, what a scenario we need to cover. Okay, so just enter and submit. Okay, so it will give a good, very good output. So you can give a any doubt or what is your requirement documents, anything you can put here and submit. It will give a output, and you can, based on that you can perform your testing. Okay, okay, then coming to slide. The conclusion is ChatGPT can be a valuable tool in software testing, enhancing efficiency and effectiveness. By integrating AI into testing workflows, team can focus on strategic tasks while improving test coverage. Hope you enjoyed this section. Thank you.